Hello and welcome to Key Harmony Piano Academy. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to play the London Bridge song. Let's get started. In this song, we are going to use the six notes. The six notes are C, D, E, F, G, and A. These six notes we are going to use. And we are going to start from the fifth note, that is a G note. So the first line goes like G A G F E F G, and the finger patterns are 4 5 4 3 2 3 4. Let's play the first line. And the second line goes like D E F E F G, and the finger patterns are 1 2 3 2 3 4. So it sounds like the third line notes and the first line notes are same. So the notes of the third line goes like G A G F E F G, and the finger patterns are 4 5 4 3 2 3 4. And the last line goes like D G E C, and the finger pattern are 2 4 3 1. If we play the whole song in a tempo, it sounds like. If you like the video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.